Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the early alert system. The early alert system is a way for instructors to inform students, even other counselors, that a student's not doing well and in the course and maybe at danger of failing. So let's show you where to go. You're going to go to the faculty staff tab and click on Campus Connect for faculty. You'll log in. Again, this is the same place actually that you go when you certify a roster or do final grade entry, same place. You'll go to available options and go to faculty menu. Then you'll see the administrative link and you're going to click on course roster. And then we are in this spring 2018. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to see my courses that I teach pop up. And of course, I'm only teaching one, but if you were teaching multiple, you would see that. So I'm going to click there, and it's going to bring my course roster up. All right, and once my course roster comes up, you'll see a list of students. I've blocked my students out so you can't see them. But what you'll do is you will click on the EA button, or the little checkbox there, and you'll click the return. And what that will do is that will actually send out an email to the student and let them know that they are in danger of failing. And for what that will do, particularly for me as the dual credit guy, is that will actually alert me for any dual credit student that they're at risk, and then I'm going to alert the counselor and let them know to check in on the student. So that definitely helps the student out. It helps me out just to kind of be aware if there's anything going on. So please do the early alert. There'll probably be another time in the semester that I will ask you to just check and see if there's any students at risk. Another thing to do is that once a student has met with you and you feel like, hey, things are, looks like we're back on track, then you can go in and uncheck the early alert box. So anyway, those are the basics of using the early alert system.